Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make leave-in conditioner, okay, from scratch. Let's get into the video right away. Then cut here off, cut off the sides. Just like this. Divide it into two. I'll use my spoon to scoop it out. This aloe vera juice, exactly. This is 1/4 cup of aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera juice, 1/4 cup. And then you can see. Okay, so now let's continue. Also need rice water, 2 cups of rice water. So I will be taking this to my heat, okay. Let's prepare our oil face. Be needing mango butter. So this is half tablespoon of unrefined mango butter. Okay. And then we'll be adding a BTMS 25. I'll be taking this to heat and I will come back after I've removed it from heat. So I'm going to go ahead to mix the oils face into my water face. So you can see, immediately it has changed color. So I'm going to be whisking this and I'll come back to show you what it looks like, okay. This is how it is looking like. It's still hot, looking like this, and has this foam on it. See this? So I'll leave it for some time for it to cool down and I'll whisk it again. The next time you will be seeing me is when it has cooled down, okay. Me to add my preservative and others, okay. So I'll just leave it some minutes for it to cool down, okay. and our leave-in conditioner will be ready. This is how the leave-in conditioner is looking like. It's fluffy, very fluffy. To add in my honey, lavender oil, mint oil, and preservative. Now let's mix. Our rice honey leave-in conditioner is ready. So let's pour it into a container, just like this. So our leave-in conditioner is ready. Just look at the texture.